Ever wondered why perennials are so important in a garden? These steadfast plants, returning year after year, offer a multitude of benefits over their annual counterparts. From their ability to improve soil structure to their lower maintenance needs and longer bloom times, perennials form the backbone of any thriving garden. Moreover, each variety of perennial brings its unique charm, be it the vibrant colors of daylilies or the serene elegance of hostas. Perennials not only add color to your garden, but they also serve as a vital part of its ecosystem. Before you start planting, it's crucial to plan and prepare your garden. Begin with a thorough site analysis and soil preparation. Understanding your garden's light exposure, moisture levels, and soil type is key to success. Next, choose your perennials wisely, considering the location, bloom time, and care requirements. Some plants thrive in full sun, others in shade. Some bloom early, others late. And remember, an aesthetic flower bed isn't just about color, but also height and texture. With the right planning and preparation, you can create a stunning perennial garden. Now that you're ready to plant, let's go through the process step by step. Start by digging a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, firming it gently around the base. Watering, fertilizing, and mulching are crucial for nurturing your perennials. Pruning and overwintering are also important practices to ensure their long-term health and beauty. Remember, the key to a thriving perennial garden is consistent care. Even with the best care, you might encounter some problems. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Pesky pests and diseases can be a nuisance, but regular inspection and timely intervention can keep them at bay. Replanting and rejuvenating your flower beds can breathe new life into your garden, ensuring a vibrant display each season. And to answer a common question, yes, perennials can thrive in shady gardens too. With these tips, you can maintain a healthy and vibrant perennial garden all year round.